Motorcraft parts. For performance, for fit, for getting it done right the first time.
When stopping a Ford or Lincoln vehicle, creating the proper friction is important. That's why your customers need the advantages that come with Motorcraft-coated friction-ready NBRC calipers. All Motorcraft remanufactured calipers start with the OE casting. Our calipers are put through stringent OE-type testing, including seals and boots testing for durability and leaks, pistons testing for abrasion resistance, 100% testing for high and low pressure leaks. Their high-gloss black E-coating protects against rust and corrosion, providing a long-lasting appearance and enhancing open wheel designs. They're ready to install easily right out of the box. They come fully assembled with new dust seals, O-rings, and all the screws, washers, pins, and installation hardware. Backed by Ford Motor Company, giving you peace of mind protection. Motorcraft parts are backed by a competitive warranty, with no difference in protection, whether installed in cars, SUVs, or work trucks. And installers and fleets can also get labor reimbursements up to $75 an hour, using the same time allowance Ford techs use. Install the parts that install confidence with Motorcraft.